Yeah, what was that actually?
Freedom for me.
What is that? What is that, Arnav?
Freedom for me. By me.
Yeah. Mana, what is that?
Freedom for me by me.
What is it? What is it?
The title.
Yeah, the title. So all of you take out your sketch pens and on one of the
And
rectangles.
I finished making 5 of these.
Okay, then make it. Already Twarita has done it. So yeah.
Ma'am,
Right?
in the center.
Yeah, in the center. In the center, you paste it. On the center of the dark chart, you paste it, Twarita. Show me, Twarita. Twarita, is there somebody who can take a photo of you doing it? 1 or 2 photos at
I don't
least.
think so, ma'am. I just asked.
On top, dear. On top. See,
Ma'am,
when
Arish, I don't have the materials, ma'am, because in the place
Twarita,
where
can
I
you see
am
the
right
center?
now.
Can you see in the center? Say. Tell me, Harish. Children, can you see on top? You will have to paste the topic. Look at the chart, what I've made.
Wait, I'll tell you when to start. Still making 5 of these.
Wait, I'll paste it somewhere and focus it for all of you. Okay.
Ma'am, 5 squares and 5 red. Oh, 5. Ma'am? Wait, pause it.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, Jasmine. Made 15 by 15 square?
And 14 by 14 square.
Pardon? 15 by 15, 5 of it. Twarita, Spandan, Arnav, if you have a mobile next to you, ask one of your elders to take a photo of it, what you're doing.
And I've not started also.
No problem. You do it. When you're doing it, ask your elders to take a photo of yours.
And my mom is taking, ma'am.
Very good. But you need to cut it.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I call my mom?
Mana, you were able to manage on the other day. Start doing it. Arish, I
Miss.
told you don't have one. Take out your Arish. Where's Arish?
Ma'am?
Miss,
Ma'am?
Yeah, Arna.
can I call my mom?
Mom to take only photos. You need to start
Yes.
doing it on your own. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
No option.
Yes, Spandan. Can you look at my chart?
Start in 5 minutes because
Can you my chart now, children.
I don't have a scissor.
Get your scissors. Get your scissors. Jasmine, can you see my chart?
Ma'am, I'm cutting my 5 square, the 15 by 15 5 squares, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Do it, do it. Arna? Finished? Finish pasting. Make it fast. Otherwise, today also we'll be stuck with cutting. We need to know what has to be written on top. Twarita, show me your chart. Let me see yours. What are you doing? In the middle, you have pasted. No. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now step by step. See, can you see step by step? I put the chart on the wall. See my chart. Look at my chart. Can you see my chart, Twarita? Can you
Yes.
see? Yeah, you can see. So can you see step by step? I put those pastings. Freedom of expression, freedom of thoughts.
Because I'm drawing one more.
Yeah, your heading will be on the top. Your heading will be on the top. In the middle.
First, freedom of thought. Ma'am, I'll just get my color sketch pens. I forgot to get it.
Okay, okay. Quickly, quickly. Children, finish making 5. Show me, finish sticking. Arnav, show me. All the 5. Very good, very good. Make it faster. Stick it quickly. It's already 2:30 now. We'll have to start writing. Arnav, show me yours.
I'm cutting.
Okay. Who's cutting or Arnav is cutting? Who's cutting?
Ma'am,
Arnav, who's cutting?
ma'am,
Mama is
My
cutting.
mother also.
Okay, okay. Make it fast, okay? Yeah.
I'm cutting.
Spandan, see the chart. You will get an idea how to do it now.
ma'am,
I've
but
done a small chart.
I can't do this activity today
Why?
because we are shifting, so I don't know where is the scissor now.
Do you have a blade with you? Okay, no problem.
No.
Fold the paper. Fold the paper. Spandan, fold the paper.
This paper fold
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fold the paper.
like this, ma'am.
Measure it and fold it. Appa, power came. Wait, wait. Power came.
Ma'am.
Wait, wait. Power came. Okay. I'm.
Miss, first we have to stick like this.
Arnav, that white sheet on the lighter one. Where is your lighter one sheet? The lighter one sheet has to be bigger. No, Arnav.
I can't do the paper on that also.
The square one, you should give it to me, the square. Ah, the lighter one and the seam. See here. Arnav, the darker one, square should be seam. See here, Arnav. Look at this.
Yes.
Yeah. Now stick it. See, look at the chart, Arnav. I'm connected to that. It's there on Appa's this thing. Give me the paper. Children, I'm connecting to the laptop now. I'll come quickly to the laptop so that you can. Okay, after folding Spandan, tear it. Spandan, tear it. After folding, tear it. Correct. Take the square one, 15 by 15 Spandan.
Ma'am,
Spandan,
Or like that, I don't know. Because when I tear every paper. I don't know how to tear very...
No, fold it like a crease. Fold it like a crease. I'll show you how to fold. Like a crease means press it nicely. Press it nicely. Keep it on the floor and press it nicely. Children, are you able to see my chart? So on the top, Twarita, on the top, you're going to paste the topic. Twarita, are you back?
Man, I got the scissor.
Yeah, thought is one of your subheadings. Your title is freedom of
But ma'am,
Yeah, correct.
I didn't make the design at the end.
No need. But where is your white chart? Everything seems to be
Ma'am,
equal.
I did it on the blue one.
Correct. Where is the blue border there? Where is your white chart?
No, ma'am, I
Twarita?
don't.
Directly you wrote, is it?
The white chart.
No. Listen. Twarita, listen.
Miss.
We cut the A4 sheet also, isn't it? We had pasted on it, isn't it? Can you see mine? Twarita, can you see mine? What is that you can see? What is it you can see? The white and the pink?
Yes.
So I had asked you to do it that way, right? Have you done it that way or you have directly written it on the blue chart?
Mine is the same size of the yellow and this one.
No problem. Have it. No problem. Twarita, no problem. You can have it. But make it.
Ma'am, now all freedom of choice and all everything should be on only blue, right?
Yeah, only on the lighter one. But on the lighter one, you will stick the A4 sheets. Jasmine, can you see the A4 sheets there? Stuck on the pink one. I've taken the pink one, the lighter one and the white sheet. The white sheet.
Mine is the same size, ma'am. That's okay.
Can you reduce it a little more? Can you reduce that white one a little more? Reduce it by 1 inch. Reduce it by 1 centimeter. Reduce it by 1 centimeter.
और वो स्क्वायर वाले लंबे वाले 4 और 4 बनाने हैं.
Okay, Mana, all of you start taking down the topics on the rectangular sheet. Only the rectangular sheet. Huh?
Miss,
Yeah, no?
I don't have more the red one.
No problem. So you have the white chart and the pink one. The red one you have, is it?
But they are finished.
Over. No problem. See, listen. Where is your dark sheet? Where is your dark sheet?
1 centimeter less.
Where is your dark chart? The purple one? I asked you to take a big one, isn't it? Where is the big chart? I asked you to bring 2 charts. 2. 2.
I didn't have
Not
to.
1, 2. 1 is the pink chart. So where are your 2 charts? 1 chart. Like that, where is your 2 charts?
I got one only in the last class.
Where's one more?
I don't have.
You had it last time. No, where is that, Arnav? You showed me 2. Remember? You showed me 2.
It was red and white only.
Red and white only, isn't it? So you had cut red and white together, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, no problem. Buy a new one. Okay, keep it aside. Buy a new one and keep it aside. Now, I'm telling you, look at this chart. Take the rectangular sheets, all the 5. Mana, Twarita, take all the 5 rectangular sheets.
Ma'am, I did not finish making them.
Make it fast. Already we are running out of time.
Ma'am, I have.
5. Not the square, the rectangular one. The rectangular one. Rectangle. Have you stuck it? Jaslyn, very good. Very fast. Very good, Jaslyn. Okay. Twarita, Spandan. Twarita is already done. Okay. Now, I'll put the topics to be written on the rectangular sheet in the chat. Look at those spellings and start rating. Take the first rectangular sheet. Take the first rectangular sheet. Take the first one. Mana, take the first one. Correct. Correct, Arnav. Yeah. Correct.
You start writing. You start writing. And
Take the first one. Take the first one. I'm going to tell you the topic.
Ma'am, this size is okay?
What is the size I told you, Spandan?
I have to write some.
So I did 15 by 15. I mean 14 by 14.
Okay. Okay. Is that the rectangular one or the square one?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, how it can be 14 by 14? 14 by 5, I told you, isn't it?
I did 14 by
Can
14.
you write it? Sketch
14 by 14 will become a... Okay, that's the rectangular one. On top of it, you write. I've written something. See there. Look at your chat. Spandan, look at your chat. What have I written there?
Expression.
Ah, write that. Freedom of expression. Write it. Take out a sketch pen. Take out a sketch pen. Write freedom of expression.
But where? Where should I write it?
Where should you write it? Where have I written it? See, where have I written it? Look at
I
my
don't understand your
chart.
chat. What are you talking? I can't understand anything. So what is the use of this? Should I take this thing out?
I'm coming on the laptop. What, dear? Show me. No, let it be there. Let it be there. Why are you taking it out? Wait. Wait, Spandan. Show me your rectangular sheet now.
Okay, ma'am.
Twarita, you have written one. Now show it to Spandan, Twarita.
I will write a freedom of expression.
What happened, Spandan, today? Okay, so all of you have written freedom of expression on the rectangular sheet?
Ma'am, freedom of expression and... Ma'am, I guess.
Tell me. Written first one.
I guess.
The second one I'll put it on the chat. I'm putting the second one now. Okay. I'm coming on the laptop, children. Give me a second. Finish writing the first one. Show me. All of you, show me your first strip. Freedom of expression. Show me your first strip. Freedom of expression. Very good. Mana's done. Jasmine, where's yours? Freedom of expression. I had put the spelling on the chart. Arna, where's yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Finished? Yeah, very good, Arna. Yeah. Twarita, freedom of expression. Very neat. Twarita, expression. ION has to be complete. So adjust your space. Take a different one. Twarita, take a different one. That will not do. Don't cut your words. Make it a little small, Twarita. So you should adjust your space and write. Very good. Very good, Jasmine. Correct. Correct. Keep it aside. Keep it on one side. Yeah. Now the second one, freedom of thoughts. I'm writing it in the chat. Okay. Freedom of thoughts. Can you see that, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to connect it.
Already written freedom of thought.
Already written? Okay, then be ready. Third one you take, freedom to choose. Twarita, freedom to choose. Only for Twarita, third one. Why is Zoom can't be reached? Trying it on my Zoom. What's happening?
Ma'am, I wrote the freedom of expression.
Finish the first one, very good. Now you got this one then, correct. Keep it aside. Take the second one. Right, freedom of thoughts now. Now you understood what has to be written. Why are you a little upset today? Mandan?
What, ma'am?
Mandan is a little upset today. What
I
happened?
can't hear you. Hello.
You are not able to. Wait. I'm trying to connect it. See, can you see my? So the Wi-Fi is getting connected now. See, can you see my laptop now? My Wi-Fi is getting connected. Here.
Now I have to make a rectangle or a square.
You start writing. You've already done it, right?
So no, I told it by mistake. Please.
I told you make 5. Are you still making?
What sign?
5 sheets of rectangle, 5 sheets of square. See, all the girls have already done it. Arnav has done it.
5 sheets.
Do it fast. Be quick.
Watch 5 sheets.
Hey, you understood on the other day. What happened to you today?
But what are 5 sheets?
5 sheets means 5 shapes.
But which 5 shapes? I can't understand only, ma'am. What are you talking?
I already had put on the chat also. What is it you cannot understand? Show me your squares.
So
I
like
told
this,
you make the squares.
Like this, I have to make more 4 rectangles.
Look at me. What is the number I'm showing you?
Which number? I
Look
can't
at
see
me.
also what are you showing.
See here. Can't you see me now?
Miss, what is after freedom of thoughts?
Freedom to choose. Third one, freedom to choose.
You have to make 5 rectangles like this. I mean,
Yeah.
not 4 and 5 squares.
Including the first one, 5 you will have to make.
Okay, ma'am.
Freedom of ma'am, what is the third one?
Choose, dear. I'm putting it in the chat. Freedom to choose. Did you see the Jaslyn? Freedom to choose. Are you able to see Jaslyn?
CHOOS. HOC.
Just keep all those things on the chat paper and click a photo and with what you have written.
Sanna, computer is not correct.
I'll just keep them so if you want a photo.
Okay, third one is freedom to choose. Okay.
Now do your
Fourth one.
You know how much I take. Don't try to give more.
Shall I write the fourth one, children? Shall I write, Arnav?
Yes.
Arnav, you should write. You should not give it to Mama.
Smell.
Arnav, you should make. You
I'm
should
only
write.
writing. I'm only
You're
writing.
writing. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Arnav. Yeah. Manna, I'm unable to see you, dear. Twarita is writing. Okay. Children, can you ask somebody to take at least one photo of yours? One photo of yours. Spandan, at least one photo when you're doing it. What, Manna?
So you have to reconnect.
Ma'am, I had to reconnect.
Okay. The fourth one, freedom to make mistakes. Shall I write it in the chat? Freedom to make mistakes. Have you written, children?
Ma'am, second one.
Yeah,
How
children.
is it?
Yeah, Manna.
Make space.
Show, Manna, show. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Tvarita. Very nice. Neat. Anna, I didn't see yours. Jaslyn, I didn't see yours. Show me all the four. First one is freedom to make mistake. Okay. Where are the other three? Freedom to choose, freedom to express. Jaslyn, the other three. So we've written 4 totally. Very good. Very good. Okay. You have written it. Okay. Fine. Now take your squares. Very good. Freedom to, Arnav, show. What was that? Freedom to
thoughts. Freedom of thoughts.
freedom of thoughts. Okay. Very good. Okay.
No, I'm not done with freedom to make mistakes.
Okay. Did you all write freedom to make mistakes?
No, ma'am, I'm not done.
Anna.
Ma'am, me, Tvarita, I'm not done. Ma'am.
Spandan, show yours. Spandan, show yours. All the 4. What's up? I can scan it. Very good. Very good, Spandan. Yeah. But not one capital, one small. What is your second alphabet? Is it small? Expression. Spandan?
Okay.
What happened, dear? Look at me. Look at me. I will help you out. Spandan. Okay. Okay. Now the second one, Spandan. Show me the second one. Freedom of thoughts. Show me the second one, Spandan. Write it there. Write it there.
What
I
are
put it
right?
See, in the chats, I put it down. Open your chat.
The chats.
Open your chat. Open your chat. Open your chat. I've written the headings there. First, check that. So, how many have we written, children?
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Now, the fifth one. Do you all remember? Do you all remember what we wrote? Freedom to choose, freedom of expression, freedom of thoughts, freedom to
make mistakes.
that we have written. No, freedom to make mistakes. Pardon?
Freedom to believe in yourself.
Freedom to believe in yourself. Very good. Okay. So the fifth one.
Freedom to believe in yourself.
Freedom to believe in yourself. Look at your chart.
But ma'am,
Yeah, dear.
I'm still writing freedom to make mistakes.
Tell me. No problem. Continue. Look at your chat. I put all the... Right. Take your time. Right. Spandan finished? Very good. Looking at the chat and writing, becoming smart. Very good. Very good, Spandan. Yeah. Arnav is also writing. What is Arnav doing?
Finished.
You finished all the 5? Have you finished all the 5? Okay.
Yes.
Now, Arnav, you need to take your chart. Okay. Take your new chart and look at my chart and take a photo of my chart. Then only later you can do it. Yeah, Jaslyn. Now you take yours, the big chart. Yes, very good, Jaslyn. Look at my chart, Arnav, and take a photo of it, Arnav. I'm focusing it for you. Take a photo of it, Arnav.
I cannot see.
Now?
No.
Now also. Jaslyn, can you see?
Yes, now I can see. Wait, miss, let me take the photo.
Okay, Jaslyn, on one of your squares, take out your squares now. One of your squares. All of you take one of your squares. After you have written all the 5, freedom. Tvarita, Mana, Spandan.
Ma'am, I'm on the last one.
Spandan, finish writing all the 5? Children, you need to be fast. Today you all are very slow. Last week you all were very fast. Today you all are writing it slow. Later you can do decoration, okay? Yeah, finish taking?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Tvarita, very good. Freedom to make mistakes, yeah. Now we discussed some topics, isn't it, on the other day? What is according to you freedom of making mistakes? Now, on those squares, you will write this in detail. So this below those rectangles. Now open your chart. I will tell you how to place it. Below every rectangle, you will have a square. Below every rectangle, you will have a square. So I have created my own design. You can create your own design. But below every rectangle, there should be a square. Now, for example, freedom of expression means see, for example, I'll take this out. I just stuck it to show you all. Okay. Now I've taken this out. Now say freedom to make mistakes. I will place it above this chart. Freedom to make mistakes, and I will explain that what is that freedom to make mistakes. According to me, what is freedom to make mistakes? Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Above freedom to make mistakes, below I will have a square. So freedom to make mistakes, I will write what is that I feel. Did we not share it in the class? Did we discuss that in the class? Yes or no?
Yes.
Did we discuss in the class freedom to make mistakes, freedom to believe in yourself? We discussed or we didn't discuss, children?
Ma'am?
First session we discussed. Yeah, Mana?
First session we did.
Yes, Spandan.
When we learned about...
Okay, so on those squares, yeah, Jaslyn, on those squares, you will write. Now, on those squares, you will have to write what is freedom of expression according to you. So, with a pencil, write on top of it. With a pencil, write on top of it. According to me, freedom of expression means, write it there. I am writing it in the chat. According to me,
Ma'am, what to do now?
What should I write, ma'am?
according to me, what is freedom of expression? So you need to explain it at least 5 sentences under that square. In that square you should write. Clear with that? Children, clear with that? So take out a pencil. Yeah, Mana, open your chat. Mana, open your chat. Open your chat, Mana. Mana, can you hear me? Open your chat. I've written the topics. I've written the topics on the chat. Write that, Spandan.
Which topics? But where should I write these topics? I write everything on it. How can I
Finish
write
writing.
more topics on this?
Show me 5. Show me all the 5, Spandan.
Ma'am, it is not showing it.
I will chat it. I will type it once again. Wait.
I have done these all 5.
Look.
Okay.
Is it
Now
like...
what
Correct.
should I do?
Now you should take the square one. Take the square one.
Okay, ma'am, I will make the square one.
Take the square one.
Okay, ma'am, I am making the square one.
Yeah. In that square one, Mana, see the topics I've written in the chat. Now you copy on each rectangle, copy the Mana on each Rectangle, copy the topic. Each topic on each rectangle. Twarita, can you show me your example? Jaslyn or Twarita, one of you? How to write it for Mana? She got disconnected. Ah, very good. Twarita, you got it. Freedom to choose. Now below that you will write what is it according to you, what is freedom to choose. Understood, Twarita? Understood? Twarita, you understood, no? Okay, show it to the others. How are you supposed to do it? Arnav? Arnav? Now you see, why did I ask for the big chart? Twarita, show it for Arnav.
Yeah, like this, you have to stick it.
Yeah.
And
Jaslyn, take a screenshot of it. Correct. According to you, what is freedom to choose?
Ma'am, after that,
Finish writing the topic. Show me all the 5 topics, Mana. Show me all the 5 topics, Mana. Very good. Freedom to believe in yourself. Correct. Freedom of expression. Freedom to choose. Very good. Freedom of thoughts. Very good. Thoughts. S. Add S. Not freedom of thought alone. Freedom of thoughts. S. T-S.
there is no space.
Put one small s there. Small s. Like Mana, only one small s. Yeah. So keep it ready. Look at Twarita, what she has done. Mana, I will ask Twarita to show her chart. Okay. Twarita, show me your chart, please. Once again. Sorry to disturb you. Yeah. So the rectangle one on top and the square one below. So freedom to choose, you are going to write what is that freedom to choose according to you. Okay? Yes, children? Yes or no? Jaslyn, can you hear me?
Now I can hear, ma'am, without the...
Yeah. According to you, what is freedom to choose? You will write it there. Okay? What is your title, children? Have you written your title separately? Your title should be on the top of everybody.
And what is the title?
What was the title? Where was Spandan? First thing I discussed was the title.
Freedom for me, by me.
Huh?
Freedom
You have to
for me.
write the title something like this.
Yeah, freedom for me, comma, by me.
Ma'am, what is the topic? I mean, which topic you are telling about?
Last week we discussed, no, Spandan. Again and again, same thing. You don't make a note of it, I guess, Spandan. Where is your notebook, by the way? No. Where is your notebook? Show me your notebook. I discuss this every week. Freedom for me, by me. I put it in the chat. Spandan, take out your chat and see. Open your chat, Spandan. Today you are completely lost in the class. Yeah, Mana.
Or me, by me.
You have to write the title directly on the chart.
Write it on the yellow sheet. Take one yellow sheet, same rectangle type and stick it. Rectangle, yellow sheet. Yeah. Make it 15 by 4, Mana, or 15 by 5. Very good. You're on mute, Jaslyn. Jaslyn, you're on mute.
Now I have to stick it in my chart.
Yes, below the rectangle one, stick it. But where's your title? First, stick your title, Jaslyn. On top, stick your title. Title on the rectangle one. Again, one more rectangle, 15 by 5.
Like this.
Yes. So there you write in the chat, I've written it, Jaslyn. See, freedom for me, by me.
Where, ma'am?
In the chat, I've written it. Can you see? Should I put it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see now?
Hi, yes, ma'am. Huh.
Can you write it down? You should write it.
In my in this
Yeah,
chart.
Twarita? The
have to
second
write
one
it in
is
this?
ready. Rectangle, not square. Rectangle, not square. Yeah, correct, Twarita. You are going correctly. Yes. Continue doing. Twarita, continue doing.
Freedom of expression.
So your title is in the middle, isn't it, Twarita? The title you have put it in the middle. No problem. No problem.
In
Okay.
this, ma'am, I should write freedom of expression.
Freedom of expression, keep it aside. Now take one more rectangle. Jaslyn, take one more rectangle. If you don't have one, cut it. If you don't have a plain one, cut it.
But mom, where should have the title been?
Title should have been on the top. I showed you, no? I'll show you once again. Wait. No problem if you put it in the middle. No problem. See ya? See ya? Where is my title?
Oh, at
Sorry,
the top center.
On the top.
On the top center. So this is the title. Freedom for me, by me. And I've decorated it. All those decoration you can do. Correct, Jaslyn. Correct. Place it one below the other. Correct. Paste it. But your title should be in the middle on top, Jaslyn. Then only other things should come one by one down. Your title should be in the middle on top. Title, Jaslyn, title. Where's your title?
Oh, I have to make the title.
Yeah, write it on top of it, Jaslyn. Freedom for me, by me.
I need like this one.
It's okay. Directly also you can write, Jaslyn.
Okay.
Directly you
I
write.
can
No problem. But make it neat. Yeah, Arnav, what are you doing? Arnav, I don't see you for quite some time. Spandan also.
Ma'am said it's okay, you can do like this.
Manna, where are you?
Mom,
Cutting.
I am writing the title.
Very good. Right. Now, what are we doing, children? Poster. Yes. What is this activity? Poster making about? Poster making about?
Freedom.
Freedom. What is the title?
Freedom for me, by me.
Poster making freedom for me, by me. So on Friday, you all are going to present it to me. You all will speak about it. Each one of you will speak about it. So that's your assignment. Okay. Next week, you can join in by 1 o'clock itself. Okay, got it. So by 1 o'clock itself, you can come in. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 hour before we can join so that we can finish our presentation quickly.
Okay.
No need 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock you'll join. Okay? Yeah. Do, Jaslyn, right? Stick it and show it to me on your chart now. Your title first.
Ma'am, I'm right.
Spandan, have you stuck it on your chart, the bigger chart? If you don't have one.
The square and I'm writing on the square. Freedom of expression.
Okay. Now, so like say freedom to choose means, or freedom of expression means, below that you will have your square one, the rectangle one and the square one. Okay. I've done my own design, but for your sake, I'm teaching you that way.
We can fit like this.
Pardon?
But Thursday is the last. No, Wednesday is the last.
She will clean the paper by tomorrow. I think. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the paper will be clean. You have to stick the leader's photo in this.
Jaslyn, are you done? What happened? You're stuck there. You're sitting.
Tell teacher you.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Now stick it on your black chart, Jaslyn. See, I'm showing it to you. First, put your title. Jaslyn, put your title on top. Arnav, put your title on top. Okay, you've taken a chart, a snap of it, correct? Now start writing about what is freedom of expression. What is freedom to choose, according to you. Okay?
That is homework, but then to stick everything is.
But you can start writing.
Mana, yeah?
Ma'am, you have to stick the rest of it like you're showing.
Pardon? I don't get you, Mana. Tell me clearly.
Ma'am, you have to stick the rest of it on the chart also.
Yes, yes, yes. See, that's why I'm showing my chart, right?
Ma'am, can I do the sticking later because I'm not able to manage
Break is not there.
Don't have to stick it. Start writing now. Apart from this, children, listen, listen. Spandan, listen. Spandan, Spandan.
I have to write about freedom
How many things we are supposed to write? About how many things we are supposed to write?
5.
Tell me, Twarita. First one, you tell me, Twarita.
Freedom to choose.
Freedom to choose. Okay. Mana, you tell me one. Freedom of thoughts. Okay. Jaslyn, one.
freedom to make mistakes.
Freedom to make mistakes. Okay. Spandan, one.
Freedom to choose. Freedom to choose.
Freedom to choose already over.
You
See, you
have
have 5. Which is left out, that one you say.
Want to waste.
And all of you are supposed to make,
How only that's for writing.
all of you are supposed to write on those 5 squares. Okay, all of you are supposed to write on 5 squares.
Ma'am,
Freedom to
I've written my first one.
Okay, fine. I'm telling you, you are supposed to write all the 5. Okay, Arnav? Arnav,
Ma'am, I have a question.
where will you write? That you tell me. Where will you write? Twarita, where will you write?
Ma'am, we will write on the square.
Very good. On the square. Mana, did you get it? Arnav, Spandan, did you get it? Give me a thumbs up if you have got it.
And ma'am, I have a question.
Very good. Yeah, ask Twarita. Ask.
That is I have an idea that in the square, plain thing, my handwriting will come very bad. So can I just take the same measurement from a 2-line book and I stick it on this. Stick it on the A4 size and then write.
Okay, okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. So you want to make it much, much neater. No problem. But when you are presenting, you are going to speak.
Yeah. Okay, fine, ma'am.
Are you listening? One poetry you all are supposed to write. On what? Make a note of it in your diary or in your notebook. One poetry. Mana, I taught you. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Are you there, all of you?
Yes.
Freedom for me, by me, one poetry you all are supposed to write and stick it on the chart. A4 sheet. Take one A4 sheet. Like Twarita told, if you all want to write, keep one ruled sheet below, no problem. But on the A4 sheet, you should write this poem and stick it on the chart. I'll show you the chart. So you will have a bigger chart.
I can't understand anything.
You will have a bigger chart. Children, can you hear me? Why Spandan alone is continuously saying he cannot hear
I
me?
can hear you, but I can't understand. What are you talking?
Children, all the others can hear me, yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I can
Yeah,
hear.
I'm right now. But I'm not understanding only. That I can't understand. You're talking, but I can't understand what are you talking.
What did I say? First step is what? Tell me, Spandan, what did we do in the first step?
I don't know.
We didn't do anything today.
You just did the rectangle thing.
We just did what?
square thing and the rectangle thing.
Correct. Did we write something on top of it? What did we write?
Freedom of thoughts, freedom of expression.
All that we wrote, isn't it? Wait. Now, second thing is, we have only written the heading. In the class, we discussed what is freedom of expression, what is freedom to believe in yourself. So, each one of you will write in your own words on the square, freedom of expression. What is freedom of expression according to you? What is freedom of thoughts according to you? So, each square will carry about that particular topic. Clear? Clear now till there? Huh. Now coming to the third step, that is you need to write a poem on freedom for me, by me on an A4 sheet. What are you supposed to do? Third one?
We should write a
Okay, I'll just note it, ma'am.
poetry of
Ah.
freedom
And where will you stick it? Where will you stick it?
on the big other chart paper.
Yeah, on the dark chart paper. Very good, Jaslyn. Very good. Okay. Now clear with that? Clear with that? Arnav, clear with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now you start writing, Arnav. Don't sit. You don't have the dark chart, no problem. But on the square, you start writing, Arnav. What according to you is freedom of expression? Go one by one. So we spoke, no? According to me, freedom of expression means, and write at least 2-3 sentences. Understood, Jaslyn? Jaslyn, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now start writing now.
Ma'am,
Huh? Yeah, Mana.
ma'am,
Mana is saying something or Twarita?
ma'am, can I write it after the class?
Yeah, you can write it after the class, but I should tell you what to write, isn't it? That's why I told you. You can write it after the class.
I can write my own.
Yeah, you can write on your own. Don't copy from Google, okay? Google will say something. Only about ourselves, we know about ourselves, okay? Yeah. Now, start writing your poem, Freedom for Me. What is freedom for me, by me? According to me, what is freedom? Start writing, Spandan, think and write. At least minimum 8 lines. See what I've written according to me. One small poem I've created for myself. Spandan, can you see that and read? See us, Spandan. See us, Spandan, read that. Read it.
Ma'am, I can't read cursive language.
Can you see?
Yes, but I can't
Ma'am, I can read.
Okay, who will read?
I.
Okay, read.
Free as a bird in the sky, free as a fly that flies high, free as a butterfly fluttering high, free to me is to open my eyes.
Yeah, so that I've written it on my own. Now you should create one on your own. Thank you, Twarita. Arnav, can you read it?
Free as a bird in the sky, free as a fly that flies high, free as a butterfly fluttering high, free to me is to open my eye.
Got it? How to write freedom? According to me, freedom means I should be free like a bird flying high. I should be flying in the sky. According to me, freedom means to be like a butterfly. Again, fly high and to open my eye. So that's what I've written. So according to you, what is freedom, Mana? You need to write your own poem. Okay? And stick it on that big chart. Clear with that? Yeah? Now open your notebook. I'm going to give you a question. Make a note of the question, children. I will type it in the chat also. Now you all are too small, isn't it? In the year 2030, what is your age now? 9 years, is it?
Yes.
How old are you all?
I'm 8.
Okay. In 2030, what will be your age? In 2030, what will be your age?
19.
30. 30.
19.
Ah.
18.
So when you're
18.
19 years old or 18 years old, what will be freedom according to you? So I'm writing in 2030. What is the year now? Spandan, what is the year now?
Year.
Huh? Year. Which year are we in now?
2020.
So I'm saying in 2030, How will you enjoy freedom? So I'm putting it in the chat. Copy that question, children. Copy that question. Again, write it on one A4 sheet. Okay? Copy the question. Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Glitch.
Can you imagine your life? Can you imagine your life? Can you imagine your life in 2030? What is 2030? What is
2030 is the year.
Will there be any change? 2030 question mark. Will there be any change? Will there be any change?
Can you imagine your life?
Yeah. Will there be any change in the way? Will there be any change in the way you act to? Will there be any change you act to situations?
Any.
I put it there. See there. Can you see the chat? Will there be any change in the way you act to situations?
Ma'am, I can't see your face because it's stuck.
I'm typing. No, that's why. Write it in detail.
In 2005, life in
Now can you see me? Can you see the chat also?
30.
Jaslyn, yes?
Yes.
So that is the question. Spandan, take it down. Next week again you should not ask me. Not next week. This week Thursday you should present. First will be Spandan. Okay?
Ma'am, I can't understand only what are you talking.
First one will be Spandan to present it in front of us. You will come.
What we have to present?
This poster, you will come and explain it to us. What is that you have done in the poster? What is the topic? According to you, what is freedom of expression? What is freedom of thoughts according to you? What is the poem? You have to read it to me. In 2030, how will you enjoy your freedom? You should write it to me.
Okay. I will.
So take out your A4 sheets and start writing it from today onwards. Otherwise, you will not have time. Friday, all of you will show me the completed chart. Spandan, today you are playing. Huh? Where is your question? Show me your question, Spandan. Yeah, Jaslyn?
Ma'am, should we
What I
write?
have to write, I have to show that all.
Should we write it in
Wait, Spandan, wait. Huh? Jaslyn, yeah, tell me.
Should we write
Jaslyn.
it in the yellow card and then stick it on your black sheet?
Not required. Directly on the yellow sheet, you can write it on the A4 sheet and stick it.
Can you imagine your life in the 2030?
That's what, dear, I showed you, no, A4 sheet. On the A4 sheet, you write it and stick it on the chart. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are we done? Are we done with our session today?
Ma'am, no. You ask.
Are we done with our session today?
No, ma'am.
Can we wind it?
Yes, ma'am.
Twarita, give me a thumbs up. Mana didn't show me your chart at all. Twarita has almost started. Jaslyn almost started. Mana, show me yours. Okay, where is your chart, Mana? Mana, did you understand? Oh, Mana has started also. Very good, Mana. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Very good, very good. But Thursday you should speak on it, okay? Not only doing. You should complete the assignment. Twarita, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
How much have you completed, Show Twarita?
Ma'am, I've just started writing the poem.
Okay, very good. Start writing, very good. Mana, you also start writing a poem. Spandan, don't waste time. Start writing a poem now. Arnav,
Ma'am, I've done two. Two I've done also. I'm
at
writing.
least At least 4 stanzas. I showed you 2 stanzas of mine. You should write 4 stanzas according to your freedom.
A lot. I've write a lot in this. It's
Yeah.
full with lines and lines.
Yes. So each stanza carries 4 lines. Each stanza carries 4 lines. Like that, you will have to write how many stanzas, children?
I've read 5 lines, but
You're framing 5. Okay. I am saying minimum 4. Okay. How many stanzas you should write, Jaslyn?
Ma'am, 4 stanzas.
4 stanzas. How many lines each stanza carries?
8.
8 lines you are going to write.
No,
4 lines minimum you should write. One stanza, how many lines?
4 lines.
4 lines. Okay, Arnav, understood?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we call it a day? Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Any doubts to be asked here?
Ma'am, when should we submit it?
On Thursday, you're going to show it to me. So
Ma'am.
meanwhile, I'm putting it on the chat. Mana has submitted her assignment. Very good, Mana. Twarita has submitted her assignment. Very good. What about the others?
Ma'am,
Huh? What about the others?
all my 5 things could not, topics could not fit on one chat. So I'm making 2 chats.
Okay, no problem. See, listen, I put the email ID. So send your assignments today. Jaslyn, you have not sent your assignment. I'm waiting for your assignment.
Amma, in assignment email ID lesson pannuma.
So take down your assignment email ID. Assignment has to be sent there.
Ma'am, my mom tried sending, but it's not working. What, ma'am? It's telling it's failure.
Wait, see there, see in the chat, Jaslyn. I put the information of the mail ID. Take it down.
Mama, information.
Spandan, I didn't get your assignment. Where is your assignment?
What is assignment?
Last week I sent a worksheet. Where is that worksheet?
I've
You
sent
didn't send
it.
me. No, it didn't come to me.
Oh,
Take
ma'am,
down the mail ID, Spandan. Take down the mail ID. Today try sending it.
My father just did it in front of me. I don't have that whatever you give me.
Okay, now show me your worksheet, Spandan. Let me see your worksheet. Show me your worksheet.
I'm sure it because I don't have only the worksheet.
Where is the worksheet?
I don't know.
You should keep it properly, no? Where did you put it?
The worksheet was in the laptop, right? You gave it on the laptop, so I write it on the laptop.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Hello, children, are you there? Yeah, Arna?
Yes.
Okay, all of you are there. Very
Father,
good.
one time, if my father is not done it, I'll tell him to do today only.
Okay, fine. Then we are going to be prepared on which day?
Thursday.
Thursday. Very good. So see you. Bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Be ready for it. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.